Hey guys, so quick video on how you can connect your ASUS laptop to your mobile. So the first option how you can do it is that when you're going to have your laptop connected through the USB cable. So if you just want to transfer the files, let's say, you can just like use the USB cable, phone PC or like phone laptop, and it's going to look like this. You're just going to connect it together. But if it's not going to work out, that you just want to connect it, what you can do is you can use AnyViewer. This is like a tool that you can use. And what I really like about AnyViewer is that you can do cross-platform compatibility and screen sharing. So what you would do first, you just like download and install it. It's like free, and you're not going to pay anything, and it's like a good tool. You can see right here that I'm just downloading right now. And you're just gonna download and install it on your phone, and you're just gonna open the app, register now to create new account, download and install AnyViewer on your also laptop. So, and you would just like log in with the same account, and on both you're going to have the same devices, and you're just gonna press remote control, and on your phone tap allow and enable AnyViewer services. Okay, and you can just like right now control it, or you can just like view screen. So it really depends what you want, right? So that's pretty much it, what you can try to do and how you can connect the ASUS laptop to your mobile phone. So thank you very much for watching, and you see also pricing here that you see like a free here. You have also the file transfer. So have a great day and goodbye.